Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and we have a stone espresso machine with us in the shop. This is a warranty repair through us. We sold this machine to a customer, and it seemed like the heating element had given out, as you can see here. If you were to touch it, there's quite a bit of scale on it still. I kind of rubbed a lot of it off already, but you can see it. You want to descale your machine at least every 6 months if you have softer water, but if you have harder water, every 3 months. And so this will definitely break your heating element, just because what it does is it makes like a nice coating around your entire heating element. And then your heating element has to work a little harder to warm up the water, since this heating element is going to keep getting hot until the thermostat or the pressure stat clicks it to turn off. And so say it takes an extra 5 minutes every day to get as hot as it's supposed to, and it's trying to get through a shell of scale, it will burn itself out. And so we just recommend descaling or testing the water that you put inside of this machine. But besides that, we installed a new one under warranty through Rocket, and now we're going to just test it. Now, this is a heat exchanger machine, so there's not really much to see, but we're just going to run the hot water. You see that's coming out hot. And then if we hit the steam one, which is the important part because this is connected to the steam boiler, we're running hot. So the steamer boiler is now working. And yeah, we're back to normal. And that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thank you.